Let me ask one question in relation of the S front end. When it comes to releasing a smart contract, we once pay our gas for it and it's hosted, then we don't have to pay for the hosting costs, but every interaction needs to be paid. How is it when it comes to the front end? Is it also that we just once have to pay for the distribution of our front end? Or is it that we have to pay like a hosting fee monthly?
Yeah, so the front end, you ask a good question. So if you say that you're going to build a decentralized Uber or decentralized Zalando on Moonchain,
Mhm.
right? How you would pay the bill for hosting on the front end. So I think if you check Cloudflare and Vercel, they both have like free plans. Let's check now. Cloudflare page. It's called Page Dev. So I'm also using this. It's called Cloudflare Pages. It's so easy to deploy any front end there. Unlimited seats for free. So basically, it's free from what I haven't paid anything. Okay, it's here. So one build at a time. So it charges for the builds. So how many builds you are compiling? You need to compile and distribute these pages to the Cloudflare nodes in the world,
Network? Okay.
right? They charge you at the builds.
What specifically is a build? I would expect one build at a time would be one front end at a time.
Compilation. So you already finished code, you click compile run.
Okay, every version update would be a build.
Iteration, because this is so normal when we write the code, right? We find something wrong, then we need to recompile it,
Mhm.
change some code, and rebuild it,
Right.
right?
Okay.
Yeah. So most people just have one build at a time. It's fine. So I'm not going to compile a lot of things. So some businesses they have multiple, then they need to pay. It's not so expensive, and you see they don't do bandwidth.
Hmm.
They don't put limitation, which means that if you host a video there using this serverless thing, so normally the other server hosting will charge you like 1 gigabyte, like $2 or $3 for bandwidth because video streaming is so expensive.